Hello guys, Tips TV PH 2019 here. Guys, I want to let you know that I recently changed my channel name Faith PH, because I decided to create a meaningful name for me and simple name that can search easily, and also I decided to create new content, PUBG Montage with amazing effects. I will create also a tutorial how to edit game and montage, effects, etc. in mobile phone. Thank you for listening to my very long announcement. Now let's get started, but first go to Google Store and download Kinemaster. After downloading Kinemaster, open it and click the big circle in the middle and choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Now import your clip in your timeline. Let me trim this clip first, I don't need to edit the whole clip. Add your music background. Let me find first the part of the music I want to use it in this tutorial.
We all lie, so come and lie with me, and we can fall asleep, and maybe dare to dream. We all fall, when we fall in love.
Scale out your timeline line. Why? By scaling your timeline it makes you easier to find the beats. I just making a cut here because I don't need a long music and video to make this tutorial. Now mark the beats by clicking this button. Do the same with the other beats. Note, if the beats is severe very fast, make one beat gap between two beats. Why? You're asking many questions, just do what I'm saying. But if your music beat speed is normal, you don't need to add one gap. Now click that setting button in the left side of your screen. Tap editing and adjust the layer duration to the minimum level. Go back to your timeline. Now add layer media solid black color. Click this button to fill the screen. Now tap the solid color, click here and duplicate it. Tap the duplicate layer and drag it to the next beat, do this to the other beats. Now you are in 99.9% of this tutorial.
We all still, if it's still in hearts, take them like they're ours, then we'll leave our scars. We all kill, if it's killing time, letting life pass by.
If you click this button it will view your timeline. Now you can see the alignment. If you made mistake, just reposition the solid color. Preview your work. I know not perfect. I just want to give you an idea how to create this effect. The question is, did you get it? If you don't, watch again from very beginning. But don't forget to export your work. Click this button, choose resolution and frame rate, tap export button. That's it, your flicker effect is done. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and also like my video and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel and click notification bell if you don't want missed anything. Wait, check out my end screen.
We all still